Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Apptivo to Stripe in 2024. So integrating these two platforms or these two websites, as example, Apptivo and Stripe, is powerful. Of course, these two tools are powerful tools which can streamline, of course, your payments processes and also improve efficiency for you. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, make sure to log into your both accounts. To do so, of course, go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave. For you can use this wherever you want. Once you open basically that browser, just go to this URL section and open, as we said, both Apptivo. So go to apptivo.com and make sure to open also your Stripe account. So go to stripe.com. Make sure to log into your both accounts. So, for example, Apptivo, you'll have to click on login at the top right corner. If you have an account, make sure to log into it. If you don't, go and create a new one. Same will be for Stripe. Click on sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, go and create a new one. You can use, as an example, Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. For example, if you don't have an account, you can even click on create. You can create it very easily. Same will be for Apptivo, as you can see, because I logged in recently, so I don't have to do it again. But of course, you can create or even log in into your account using multiple accounts, of course, including Google, which is the most known and most used one. So, example, here I'll have to log in into my Stripe account, and I don't know if that's the password or I forgot it. I'll just click on sign in. Yeah, of course. Here I'll have to enter the code that they sent me into my authenticator app, or not sent me, which I'll find because I'm enabling or I enabled the 2FA in here. Of course, these 6 numbers change all the time. They change every 30 seconds, so it's fine in here. Make sure to connect us. Of course, if you don't know how to do it, I've already showed you in a video how. You can simply just go and check us out. And as you can see right here, you should be connected with Stripe and Apptivo. And of course, to connect Apptivo to your Stripe account, we'll simply follow an article provided by Apptivo. For example, here we'll just go and type connects Apptivo to Stripe, as simple as that, and hit the enter button, click on it. And of course, as you can see, so here you see first of all the overview, the benefits. So you'll be able to go global, accept all major debits and credit card from customers, of course, in 135 country or currencies plus, of course, in every country. One less juggling, start tracking your sales directly from Stripe, tracking made easy, of course, track your sales and credit amount directly from Stripe. As an example, you can collect payments with Apptivo Stripe integration. You can do all of that. And the requirements, of course, basically, so you can just read all of that. The requirements will be a Stripe account, which I have, and you will need one of those plans, either a premium or the ultimate plan. Without those plans, you will not be able to go and connect into anything. So make sure, of course, to go and get for you one of those plans. So basically, you can go to your profile at the top right corner, click on manage your account, and from here, as you can see, you'll find an upgrade option. Just click on that option, and as they said in here, you will require either premium or ultimate. So you'll need this or this at least. Light will not work. So you can see, if you pay per year, you'll have just pay $300 per year for premium, and this is just going to be $480 or $4,000 or $480 per year. Of course, if you want to pay yearly, you'll save in here $25, in here $40. If you pay monthly, as an example, it's going to be this 30, and this is going to be 50. As you can see, it will be more expensive than yearly. So it's actually up to you. Once you get your plan, then you'll be able to start, of course, connecting to Stripe. You can simply then follow this guide. Why did I open this guide? Basically, I could have show you right away, but I opened this guide because I will not be able to show you how to connect to Stripe without, of course, the premium or the ultimate plan. So that's why I come here. So normally, basically, in order to collect payment through PayPal or even Stripe, so it's the same. You'll need, of course, to go and log in, access invoice app, then, of course, from universal integration. So as an example, we go back to Apptivo, click on App Store here. If we go to financials, example, invoices for us, access denied. Why? Because we don't have a premium or ultimate plan. So as we said, we will need one of those. If you have them, of course, just go and access your invoices app. You'll find, of course, a payments and a payments method there. if you have that invoice. And then as you can see, you'll find here PayPal, but we don't want PayPal, we want Stripe. So that's what we want. You'll basically then click on edits, which is this icon, as you can see in here. Just go and click on that. As you can see, and if you have a PayPal account, basically a Stripe account already, just click on next. As example, if you don't, you can create a Stripe account right away. Then basically you'll have to go and get your API access from Stripe. As simple as that. Once you get it, click on next, then enter your API username, API password, and a signature, then save the changes. As example, and of course you can even set this customer need to have a Stripe account, not a PayPal account. Once you do so, you'll find like Stripe parameter updated, and it should be connected. Of course, where you can get the API, if you go here to Stripe, you can just find us, of course, on your settings. And for me, I'll not be able to show it, or I'll not show it just in case. And yeah, of course, just go to your profile and you'll find your API key right there. If you don't know even how, as example, so API key on Stripe, as example, so I don't show in mine. As example, here you can simply just see wherever you find this, I guess. So of course, yeah, how can you find this example? So opening up API key pages. I just hope they don't show mine example. Oh, so well, okay, never mind. We are on test mode. I should just have turned this test mode. So, example, this is a publishable key. As example, you can copy it and the secret key. For us, normally here, I guess you will need like the secret key, not the publishable key. You can simply just go and reveal it, then copy it and enter it there. As simple as that. And of course, you would like to even have like you'd like to have administrator like permissions in case it's not your account or something like that. You need to simply just navigate into developer or like section, especially if you just want to find it like from here. Just access the developer section of the Stripe, and you'll find your API key like the first option. So how can you find developers? You can see here is it. Just click on it, and you can click on API key, and as you can see, you'll find yourself here. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.